It's one of the most requested cruise experiences, and now it's back. Holland America Line is letting passengers go where few have gone before, behind the scenes of the ship itself. For the first time in years, the premium cruise line is bringing back its exclusive behind-the-scenes tours, giving guests a peek into the hidden world of cruise ship operations. Think less buffet and pool deck, more bridge, engine control room, recycling center, laundry tunnels, and even the world stage dressing rooms. For $179, this guided tour isn't just about sightseeing, it's an immersive deep dive into what makes these floating cities run. Guests will meet senior crew from the captain to the executive chef and hear firsthand how it all comes together. Want to know how a cruise ship navigates through storms? Ask the bridge officer. Curious how 10,000 pastries appear daily? Meet the chief baker. Ever wonder what happens to all those towels? You'll find out. Each stop is led by the ship's crew, offering real insights, not just photo ops. But yes, you'll leave with a souvenir lanyard, photos, and a commemorative certificate too. This is cruise ship nerdom at its best, a rare experience that goes beyond sun decks and shore excursions. It's about appreciating the thousands of moving parts and people that make your vacation effortless. The tour is currently rolling out across select ships, with full fleet access by the end of July. And yes, an accessible version is available too. So, would you step through the crew door and into the engine room? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more cruise news from the Lido deck.